Hello everyone, today's headline is clear. Danger signals are ringing on Wall Street. Credit concerns spreading through the US banking system are keeping investors on edge and turning the markets red. We see the S&P 500 closing the night down by 0.6%, the Dow Jones down by 0.7%, and the tech giant Nasdaq 100 down by 0.4%. So what triggered this wave of selling? The event that triggered the crisis was the disclosure of two regional banks' problematic loans. Zions Bancorp recorded a loss of $50 million due to loans linked to fraud allegations, and its shares plummeted by 13%. Western Alliance Bancorp also lost 11% in value due to risks associated with the same borrower. And the problem is not limited to small banks. Even the large bank JP Morgan Chase had to write off $170 million in losses following the collapse of the low-quality auto loan provider Tricolor Holdings. This panic drove investors away from stocks and into the safe haven of government bonds. The yield on the 10-year Treasury bond decreased by 5 basis points to 3.97%. This is the clearest indicator of how much the market is fleeing from risk. Banking concerns in USA drove global investors to safe havens, and as usual, the winner of this race was gold. The precious metal surged sharply by 2.6%, reaching $4,217 to $79 per ounce, and hit a high of $43.52 during the day. This rise is fueled not only by banking fears, but also by central bank demand and expectations of potential additional interest rate cuts. Technical analyses indicate that the rally could continue toward $4,400 and even $4,500, with key support levels at $4,041 and $3,877. In cryptocurrencies, selling dominated. Bitcoin and Ether lost over 2% in value. So, what is the situation in Turkey? The BIST 100 index, even though it tested below the level of 13,300, managed to stay above the critical support of 12,240 and finished the day with a decline of 0.9%. Staying above 12,240 strengthens the potential for a double bottom formation, and a resistance level of 15,000 is targeted. All eyes are on Turkey's credit rating decision, expected to be announced today by S&P. In short, global markets are on edge. Yesterday, the markets showed us this. On one side, old fears in the US banking sector are resurfacing, while on the other side, gold is hitting new records and Turkey is searching for its balance. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next move in the markets. Goodbye.